Here's a fun little project that came in. Yeah, they don't always come assembled. This one came in a pile of boxes, basically 2 engines. So this customer, super cool guy, by the way. I'm really going to enjoy doing this for him. Bought from a very big, reputable outfit that builds crate engines. 347, for those of you who don't know what that is, it's a stroked small block Ford. You start with the 302 block. And, I mean, they're nice little engines, right? They work really well. And so he got the engine, he installed it. Through no fault of his own, it blew up. So he got a hold of them. And, I mean, it was a very reputable outfit. They give him another engine. So he installed the other engine, put the first one off in the corner, and he got a little bit of life out of the second engine, and ultimately it failed too. So he brought me the pieces of 2 engines, and nice parts too, like, you know, nice aftermarket rods. It's good quality pistons, the whole bit. And this is how it came in. There's 2 crankshafts. You still got the other one at home. There's 2 sets of heads over there. There's a block. The first one that blew up, the block wasn't salvageable. We've got another box of parts down there and an oil pan full of parts. Roller lifters, the whole bit. I mean, it was a very nice piece. So we can salvage 1 head off of each engine. Here's our first one there. You can see the carnage that kind of happened in there. You can see a little bit of carnage here. This is one of the heads out of the second engine. You can also see where the valve was touching the valve notch in the piston. You can see it on the piston also. And then we have these here, and this would be 1 head from each engine, which had no carnage go through it. Although we're going to have to check them over very carefully. You can see there where that one was touching the piston. We'll have to find out how come that one was touching and not the rest. We'll just give it a little bit more clearance. So that's a good head, no damage. And here's a head off the other engine. Again, no damage. It's got some carbon buildup and stuff like that. You can see where that one's got some pretty good oil residue and whatnot. So we're going to use them 2 heads. And we're going to penetrant dye what he's got left for pistons to see if we can come up with a set of pistons for the guy. I mean, if there's anything the least bit questionable, we'll be putting new pistons in it. Anything at all. It's got a couple really nice, I haven't run the specs on them yet. They don't have a part number on them that we can run through for a big cam manufacturer. I suppose it's I can't say that word. It's a custom grind that they have done for themselves or even by themselves. I ran it through the cam doctor and I'll see what the specs are. Quite interesting. 2 sets of roller lifters, then we got all our other accessories and just boxes of bolts and everything like that. That's going to be a super fun build to do. I'm really looking forward to it. We'll follow it, of course, step by step. Put it in the playlist. As you can see, I'm way behind on my engines. I'm also way behind on making these vids. some of these engines are gone, and we're still timely releasing the vids and the playlists. So we got a lot of super cool projects coming. So I hope this interests some of you guys. Catch you later. Bye.